ask me. I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam, I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out, but I'm backing. Need a new bank account with the cash in it.
What's up, everybody? 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. What's been going on? Why haven't I been uploading for the past couple of weeks? Why I've been going and why I've been missing, stuff like that. And of course, in this video, I want to also talk about what I'm going to start doing on this channel, where I want to go with this channel, etc. I don't want to make this video too long. This video gonna be like 4 or 5 minutes. Let's get it, man. Number one, why have I been missing? All right, so I used to record in my garage. Okay, it was freezing. It used to be 29, 30 degrees down there, and I had to put my coat on, like 5 jackets and everything. It was super cold. How many times per week should you wash your hair? Based on my opinion, like what I know about shampoo and what it does to your scalp and your natural oils, I'll say twice a week. All right, if you could do once a week, that would be tough, but twice max. That's my opinion. And it was just hard to record in there. And of course, I used to record in my bathroom as well. It was perfect lighting. Okay, it was decent. It was okay lighting. I'm not gonna say it was perfect, but it was okay lighting. And I used to record my weight videos in there all the time. But I lived with a lot of my family, my little brothers and sisters, and it used to be loud, like all the time. So if I would make a video, they would just be in the background screaming and yelling. I was just like, dang, man, like I just need somewhere quiet to record my videos and just, edit and everything peacefully. So what I did was I got a studio, okay? For the past 3 weeks, I haven't been uploading because it's been, I've been trying to focus on that, getting a studio for my videos, to keep elevating. I hit 200,000 subscribers, I believe, last week, and I really appreciate y'all for that. And I definitely want to hit 1 million subscribers soon. So now that I have a studio, and it's a lot quieter to do my videos here and stuff like that, so I feel like this was a good investment for my channel, and it's gonna really help out with the elevation of this channel. So that's why I've been missing. I've just been looking for a place, and it was just a lot of work, shopping, this and that. I just didn't have enough time to record and edit my videos, but I'm back now, okay? Alright, so another thing I want to talk about is camera, okay? I have a Canon G7X Mark III, and I've been using this camera for a while now. It has 4K, all right? It's okay, it's good definition, good quality and everything, but I kind of want to invest in more, mics and everything. I did have a Canon EOS R80D, I believe, or EOS 80D, but what happened with that camera, my MacBook was broken, so I couldn't edit for like a week. So what I did was I sold my Canon EOS 80D, sold that, took that money, bought a new MacBook, and that way I could edit my videos. So I went back to my G7X. I've been recording on it ever since, and it's just been okay. I've been teaching myself, self-educating myself on how to use cameras for a while now. Now I know how to use cameras. I know what an auto ISO is, f-stop, frame rate, stuff like that, autofocus, blah, blah, everything, shutter speed. I just learned a lot of stuff, all right? And I feel like all this stuff matter. And the camera I'm using now, of course, the f-stop, the aperture is good. It goes all the way to, down to f1, and that's decent. But I want like a bigger. I feel like I want a bigger camera to the point where I could actually look like a freaking professional. I don't know. I'm talking about like them Sony's, the big cameras, the newest cameras, $5,000 camera. That's the cameras I'm talking about. I feel like if I got those cameras, that would take my videos to the next level. And the reason I'm saying those types of cameras is because I don't want to just do waves, on this channel. I want to do different things. I want to do reactions, waves. The reaction videos do really good, so I'm definitely gonna keep doing reactions. And I want to start introducing other things on this channel, which is vlogging. Like I want to vlog my life. Like I want to put it on this channel. Like if I'm going out to get a car, if I'm going out to get this and that, if I'm cooking, if I'm doing this and that, I also want to add that to this channel, because I want to make this channel basically mine, not just about waves, not just a wave community. I just want to make this a my life channel, all right? So I want to transition to that, but I know a lot of people not going to want to watch that, but it's cool though. Only my real supporters will watch. But then again, I'll start building a foundation for the vlogs by staying consistent. So the first couple of vlogs probably will do bad, but if I keep staying consistent with the vlogs, I'm gonna start attracting more people that are not only waivers. Because right now I kind of only got waivers and stuff. on this channel, but I also want to I love cooking, all right? I love cooking, so I want to start doing reaction videos to cooking. I want to start cooking on this channel. I want to start, just vlogging. Like, if I'm doing a video or if I'm getting a haircut, I want to vlog myself cooking and then going out to get the haircut. See, it's basically like just vlogging my day and stuff like that, you feel me? So that's what I want to do with this channel, and that's where I want to head with it. All right, road to 1 million subscribers. That's what I want to do with my next couple 100,000 subscribers that's, coming. So we're on our way to 300,000 right now. And on the way to 1 million, I want to start attracting other people that's not waivers, all right? I want to start attracting people that loves cooking. I want to start attracting people that loves working out. I want to attract other people that loves karate, you feel me? I want to start going to tournaments, recording my tournaments. I want to show you guys what I do when I'm at a tournament. I have my do-rag on and everything, just a waivers lifestyle, you feel me? Like, just giving y'all some tips on what I do, how to keep my hair laid while I'm doing everything that I do, all right? Because I do teach karate. I'm a black belt, and Shotokan is a style of martial arts that I do. Shotokan. I do go to tournaments and I fight at tournaments, and I always, I'm able to keep my hair laid, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. When I'm cooking, I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. When I go to the beach or when I go to the pool, if I'm traveling, I wanna show you guys what you do with your wave. Like, do you keep your do-rag on, do you not keep your do-rag on, stuff like that, feel me? That's what I wanna do with this channel, man. Yeah, that's basically all I wanted to say in this video. I hope it's not too long, but I do have a second channel, me and my girlfriend. I want you guys to please go subscribe to that channel. I really wanna hit 10,000 subscribers on that channel, as soon as possible. So if you guys please do me that favor, link is down in my description. Please click the link. It's gonna take you over to the second channel. Just smash that subscribe button for me. I really appreciate it. So yeah, thank you in advance. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well. All right, subscribe to this channel. Leave a like, comment, and of course, subscribe. Road to 300K. Thank you guys for watching. My true supporters, thank you for watching this video. If you're not a real supporter, you only like, entertainment stuff, and you don't like when I'm being real, when I'm updating you guys on stuff, when I'm doing giveaways, that's cool. You can just watch the entertainment stuff. But when it comes to my real supporters, y'all know y'all support me whatever video I drop. So I appreciate y'all for that. Thank you for watching. It's your boy 360 Juice, and I'm out of here. Peace.